Hi everybody, I just wanted to sit down and show you one of my favorite butter slimes. And then actually I got the idea for my favorite Disney dessert. The pineapple dole treat. It's a butter slime. And it actually smells like, of course, pineapple. So stretchy. It's just like the, nice soft serve pineapple treat, especially when you're in the heat of Florida. Look at that. And the little charm set I have for it is this little pineapple drink and a pineapple little wedge to go in it. I'll put those aside. But there's just nothing is better than nice buttery soft slime. It's available in 4 ounce and 8 ounce. You can select if you want the pineapple scent or no pineapple scent. But there it is. Definitely smells just delicious, but don't forget, you can never eat slime. It may smell good, but it's definitely not yummy and not edible. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.